Last time I was here, we made up a hook.
Yes.
And I'm going to actually edit a picture of it right here. So this is it. And so that hook, we probably did it in a half an hour. Whereas if he did it and I wasn't here, he probably could have done it in, what do you take, 10, 15 minutes?
I can make a hook like that. I haven't timed myself in a long time, but I used to be able to make a hook like that in approximately 8 minutes.
Twist in the hook. So that's a simple twisted decorative hook. One 90-degree sharp point will be on the end of it where you can hammer it into a beam or a wooden wall of a barn or whatever, and then you got a hook to set tack, or if you have horses or animals or in the house to put your keys on, whatever you want to do with it. Similar to the one that I showed you in the beginning of the video. Just putting the finishing touches on it. Nice quenching it in the linseed oil. And that works too, right? Use what you got. Today, we got rain.
Time.
So that hook was made in just seconds shy of 7 minutes. Nice. It's a nice piece.